everybody, welcome to another Misfit Minute. I'm Caitlin, and today I want to talk to you about the idea that you cannot punish a skill deficit away. And what I mean by that is this. If you have a student displaying maladaptive behaviors, and through observation or assessment, you've determined that they don't know how to wait or tolerate frustration or communicate appropriately or regulate emotions, basically everything we see at the core of some of our behavior problems, those are truly skill deficits. And consequences alone are not going to teach those skills. So, yes, punishment might suppress that behavior temporarily. You have a child running toward the parking lot, an unfamiliar adult yells, no, and the child stops in that moment. But if we rely on only that consequence, chances are that behavior is going to come back sooner rather than later because we never actually taught a replacement skill. We didn't teach what to do instead. We just taught them to stop running in this isolated environment. So teaching the skill means we are breaking it down into manageable steps. We're modeling it, we're practicing it when the student's calm, we're prompting, and we're reinforcing effort and progress and not just perfection. And truly, I think that practicing when calm is the biggest piece that gets overlooked. If we are only expecting students to use these coping skills when they're already escalated, overwhelmed, or dysregulated, they're probably not going to learn them effectively. So if you are seeing the same behavior over and over, consider shifting your mindset from thinking of it as defiance to more like, oh, that's information. It's telling me that we haven't taught this skill enough. We haven't practiced it enough, or we haven't reinforced it enough. So instead of immediately asking, what consequence should we try asking what should we do before this behavior, what skill is missing, and how are we going to teach it? Because we know that long-lasting behavior change does not come from punishment alone. So if you like this episode, drop a comment in our Facebook chat or let us know what topics you want to hear about next. Thanks.